Hi, John Rice of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, talking about 6577 Berger. This house is set on a private drive, sits on over an acre in private frontage, 115 feet of private frontage on the Thornapple River in the Forest Hills School District. This is a sought-after property, perched high up, where you get a chance to overlook what everybody calls the pond area of the Thornapple River. It's open, and if you love water sports, this is the place you want to be. It's open for miles. So you're talking about miles of open water skiing, water sports. It's perfect for that. The dock's in, the boat's in, it's ready for you. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It's beautifully renovated, custom and amazing quality, top to bottom. Take a look at the 3D tour that we have online, and you're going to see what we're talking about. From the cantilever deck that overlooks the water to the beautiful well-appointed kitchen and dining area, the cathedral ceilings in the living room and the fireplace, the master, which every single room in this house has its own private bath. They're all set up with a suite system. It's beautiful. Surround sound throughout, wet bar on both the main level and the lower level, area for entertaining, again, main level and lower level. It's perfectly set up. This is a house you want to get in and check out. Call us, talk to us. We'll get you in with a private showing. You can reach out to us. John Rice, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Talk to you soon.